Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared two very easy questions for you. As usual, I recommend you to stop video here, read the questions, answers, choose your correct answer, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So first question would be true-false. A genetic mutation of the single nucleotide will always result in a different amino acid. And you would be able to solve this problem if you would take a closer look at this table. And as you see, this table is a table of codons in the message RNA, and here in this column would be the first letter in each trinucleotide, here would be the second letter, and here would be the third letter. Let's take a look, for example, at such sequence as G, U, U. What would happen if we would substitute this letter with different, for example, with C, and new sequence would be G, U, C, but still such sequence would code for the same amino acid, valine, as you see here, and we even can cross out this letter also, and we can use different substitution as GUA, for example, and still, as you see, according to this table, it still would be valine, and so we can, as you see, change the last letter usually to any other different letters of the bases, and still such variants would code for the same amino acid. And as you see in this table, each amino acid is coded by 3, sometimes 4, or sometimes 6 different combinations of the bases. And usually we can substitute the last letter in the trinucleotide, and we call this wobble position. And as you see, we can change last letter, but usually first two we cannot change, otherwise this would cause to change in the amino acid. So our answer for this statement would be that this statement is false. Second question, what message RNA sequence would the DNA sequence as follow code for? And if you look at the answers, we can cross out answer C right away and answer E, because we have to give an answer what message RNA sequence this DNA sequence would code for. So we have to choose between message RNA. So we also can cross out answer B, because in this answer we see thymine, and message RNA cannot have thymine. Message RNA always has uracil instead thymine, so we can cross answer B. So we have to choose between answer A and answer D. Actually, we have to build another strand of the message RNA that is going to be complementary to this DNA sequence. So we just have to follow the rule that adenine always pairs with uracil in message RNA, and guanine pairs with cytosine. So here we would have adenine would pairs with uracil, guanine with cytosine, thymine with adenine, cytosine with guanine, and cytosine with guanine, and guanine with cytosine. So this would be our answer. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.